In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an Etsy account in the UK. To begin, head over to the Etsy UK sign-in page. This is the page where you can either log into an existing account or create a brand new one. If you're new to Etsy, look for the register option in the pop-up box and click it to start the sign-up process. Once the registration form appears, you'll need to enter a few basic details. Start with your email address, then add your first name, and create a secure password for your account. When choosing your password, it's a good idea to make it strong and unique, ideally using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account and keeps your information secure. As you fill in your details, take a moment to double check everything before moving forward. Make sure your email address is typed correctly, since this is usually where Etsy will send important messages, including account verification and updates. Using an email address you check regularly can make managing your account much easier later on. If you'd prefer a faster option, Etsy also gives you the choice to create your account using an existing login from Google, Apple, or Facebook. You can simply click Continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook and follow the prompts to create your account instantly. This can save time and reduce the number of passwords you need to remember. However, if you prefer to keep things separate, registering with your email address is still a great option. After completing this step, your Etsy account will be created and you'll be ready to explore the platform. Whether you're planning to shop for handmade items, vintage finds, and craft supplies, or you eventually want to move on to setting up a shop, this first account creation step is where everything begins. One useful tip is to keep your login details stored somewhere safe, especially if you create the account using email and a custom password. That way, signing back in later will be quick and stress-free. Also, if Etsy asks you to confirm your email address, be sure to complete that as soon as possible so your account is fully set up and ready to use. That's all it takes to get started with an Etsy account in the UK. Once your account is live, you can continue personalizing your profile and using Etsy the way that best suits your needs.